High volatility in Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $0.0017. Updated on February 18, 2022. The Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. stock price gained 6.25% on the last trading day, Friday the 18th of February 2022, rising from $0.0016 to $0.0017. During the day, the stock fluctuated 12.50% from a day low at $0.0016 to a day high of $0.0018. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -22.73% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -10 million shares, and in total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $70.14 thousand. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $0.0012 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -56.97% during the next 3 months, and with a 90% probability hold a price between $0.0005 and $0.0020 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 6.25%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $0.0018 and $0.0037. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume fell during the last trading day while the price increased. This causes a divergence and may be considered as an early warning, but it may not be. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.0016, with no support from accumulated volume below today's level. The risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day volatility, and with periodic low trading volume, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.0002 between high and low, or 12.50%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 20.25%. Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. is oversold on RSI 14/16. Some stocks may drop long and hard while being oversold on RSI before turning, which increases the general risk. Our recommended stop loss: we hold a negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. stock a buy? Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Current score, -4.200. Predicted opening price for Tonr One World Holdings, Inc. of Tuesday, February 22, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price.